Hey, it's Nick here again with another review video. I picked up 2 bags of loose Hot Wheels at almost like a Salvation Army. It's called Savers. It's a thrift store. So I'm gonna do a review of each one of these cars, and yeah, we'll see what we got here real quick. As you can see, I'm opening it. Sorry, I'm watching SmackDown as well. Alright, we'll start off with the first one that came out. It is this baby right here. And it is a Hot Wheels. So, yeah, pretty neat. And then we got this. It's like a little Doom buggy. This is the metal version, or die cast, where the wheels are a little bent. I don't know if you can see that too much, but yeah, the wheels are a little bent. But other than that, I mean, it rolls. Pretty cool. Pretty good. We got a tanker here, tanker truck. That's pretty cool. Fast gassing. There you go. Yeah, that one's pretty cool. Wheels are pretty good. They're, I believe, all Hot Wheels, for the most part anyway. And then we got this little guy right here. This is a Mitsubishi Pagero. But yeah, it's this guy. This looks like another off-road racing car, like Doom Buggy status. Then we got this guy. This thing is cool. I like this one. I think I used to actually have this one when I was a kid or something similar. This one is a Hot Wheels as well. It's 2001, so yeah, probably not, because I was older by then. I wasn't collecting them. My younger brothers were. Then we got the Cyclops one, China. I don't really know if this is an actual Hot Wheels. Doesn't say. Not on it, anyway, but anyway, pretty cool. We got another tanker one. This one's Racing Fuel. That one's pretty cool. Then we got like a little tow. We got this little tow truck thing right here. It's missing the little hook, obviously, as you can see. But this thing is pretty cool. It kind of looks like a fancier El Camino. Like a pimped out El Camino. Then we got this one. It's a lowrider. It looks like it's a little bent right here. Like the roof got a little bent on it. But other than that, that's pretty cool. I like that one. Then we got this fire truck emergency rescue one. 172. This is an older one, I believe, because this actually does look like one that I used to have when I was a kid. I wish I still had some of them. Wonder if I could find them. Now, I know I had this one. That's cool. I don't know. My brothers probably ended up with most of them. I do have a bigger version of this. It's a model, actually. I'll have to get it from my house and bring it to my mom's, where I do my reviews and everything, to show you guys. But yeah, and then I got this dope-ass Flash one. ...2001. It's not a match. Is it? I think it is a Matchbox, but it has like a completely different logo they got now on there. Yeah, it says Matchbox. It's just a fancier logo. But yeah, that's all them for the first bag. All right, so let me put these away and then I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, I'm back with the second bag now. Here we go. I'm opening up this bag here. Let's see. All right, in this one, we got this little racy car. Kind of looks like a go-kart. So, yeah, it's, like I said, they're mainly all Hot Wheels, I believe. There's another race car. This one's pretty cool, too. Some of these are probably going to be up for sale or trade or whatever. So if you are looking for these and don't have them, just leave it in the comment section below. And we'll figure out a way we can talk and go from there, especially if you're in the Western New York area, around Niagara Falls, Buffalo, Tonawanda, that area around there. Here's another one. This one's pretty cool. So, yeah. Here's another race car. I did have one like this when I was younger. Yeah, this one's a little beat up, you could tell. Some of these could use a little TLC paint jobs. This one's pretty cool. The wheels are a little bent on it. And I believe there used to be like either glass here or a guy that sat inside there. But yeah. Then we got another one of them military emergency Jeep vehicles. Then we got a fire rescue, missing the ladder and whatnot, because you could tell there probably was a ladder with it. But yeah. And we got this big boy right here. He's plastic. He's bigger than, most of the other cars on here. Yeah. Almost, and there's a switch on the back. On the bottom. Oh, shit. That lights up. What? That's pretty dope. That's pretty cool. That one lights up. I like that one. The things you find at the thrift stores, you know what I'm saying? I seen them and I was like, I gotta get them. Couldn't pass them up for $5 a bag. Here's another one. Little matchboxies. You never know what you're going to find, especially when they're all bundled together like this. Here's another one. I like this one. This one's dope. I believe that's a Nissan. So hard to see the writing on the bottom. But, yeah. Might even be a Ferrari. Who knows? And then here's another plastic one. This one doesn't have a switch on the bottom to light it up. But it looks like you would sit it on something. Or it would have something you would pull to make it go or something. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, those are the two bags I got of random Matchbox cars and some unknown cars because they don't have the names on them. It doesn't say Matchbox or anything on a couple of them. But yeah, that would be it. So thanks for checking out the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit a like. Subscribe to my channel. I'll have more reviews for other things coming up. Like I said before, we do reviews, weed reviews, wrestling, music, anything you want, toys, stuff like that. So like, subscribe, share, dislike. I honestly, that's not my decision. If you liked the video, you didn't, whatever, that's up to you. Please leave a comment below. Any negative, derogatory comments will be reported and will not be tolerated. Thank you. I'm out. You guys have a good one. Always stay smoking. Peace.